One of the most powerful features in SAP 2000 is the ability to easily constrain the edges of area objects so that you need not create a transition mesh. Here we have a single wall modeled with a mesh of 3x6 area objects on the left and a mesh of 3x7 area objects on the right. There is no continuity of the two meshes except at the bottom node. This type of mesh would traditionally cause poor results. We will load the wall with a single horizontal load of 50 kilonewtons. This will be added to the dead load pattern so that we will have only a single load case. We are now ready to run the analysis. Once the analysis is complete, we see that the two halves of the wall move independently and not as a single wall. The stress diagram is also not what we would expect for a continuous wall. However, with SAP 2000, it is a simple process to correct this model so that it will behave as a single wall. First, we unlock the model, and then we select all of the area objects along one side of the line where the mesh changes, and go to the Assign, Area, Generate Edge Constraints command, and select the Create Constraints Around Object Edges option. This will force the area objects to work as though the mesh was contiguous. Next, we rerun the analysis. And now we see that the stresses are more appropriate for a single wall, and that the two halves of the wall move together. There is no separation between the two meshes. We can see the constraint of the edges better with just a deformed shape view. Thus, by using the Edge Constraints option, we can easily tie two dissimilar area object meshes together so that no gaps will occur. This concludes this tutorial on edge constraints.